Alright, this one came out of nowhere, and it's the kind of leak that makes tech fans stop scrolling instantly. Something else quietly stole the spotlight. Yes, the long-rumored Osmo Pocket 4 just stepped out of the shadows, and it didn't knock. Over the past few weeks, leaks from multiple tech outlets have all pointed in the same direction. DJI isn't working on just one new pocket camera, but two. A standard Osmo Pocket 4 and a more ambitious Osmo Pocket 4 Pro are both reportedly deep in development, and together they form part of a broader DJI camera and drone roadmap that stretches into 2026. The Pro version is where things start to get especially interesting. A leaked image circulating on X, originally shared by a drone focus account, shows a noticeably larger camera housing, nearly as tall as the rotating display itself. That's not a subtle aesthetic tweak. It strongly suggests a more advanced camera module, and several independent leaks back this up by pointing to a dual camera system on the Pocket 4 Pro. Compared to the Pocket 3, the housing looks bulkier and more purposeful, hinting at bigger sensors, more glass, or both. Some rumors even suggest a return of Hasselblad color science on the Pro model, which would mark a major step up in image tuning. Here's where the story takes a sharp turn. A subscriber reportedly spotted a live product page for the Osmo Pocket 4 on Amazon Germany. Not a rumor, not a mock-up, but a real listing that briefly went live and then vanished almost immediately. Someone at DJI probably had a very bad minute. What made this leak different was credibility. The page wasn't posted by a random third-party seller. It was directly linked to DJI itself. Screenshots were captured before it disappeared, because once something hits the internet, you know how that ends. The specs listed on that page were, honestly, pretty underwhelming. They looked almost identical to the Osmo Pocket 3, a vlogging-friendly design built around a 1-inch class sensor. 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, 3-axis stabilization, fast autofocus, and subject tracking. No wow factor at all. And that's exactly why most observers believe these were placeholder specs rather than final hardware details. Other leaks paint a much more ambitious picture, especially for the Pro model, including whispers of higher frame rates like 4K at up to 240 frames per second, 10-bit color, improved HDR, and more manual control options. Some of the most intriguing rumors go beyond pure specs and into design changes. Earlier leaks have suggested that DJI has experimented with prototypes featuring two sensors and even two screens, a front-facing display for selfies alongside a rear touchscreen. If true, that would be a major departure from the Pocket 3's design philosophy. There are also hints of additional physical controls tucked beneath the rotating viewfinder, suggesting DJI may be targeting more advanced creators who want faster access to settings without diving into menus. Accessories are another wild card. A few leaks mention a mysterious new add-on, possibly a wireless remote referred to as something like Osmo Frame Tap. Nothing about this has been confirmed, but the idea fits with DJI's recent push toward modular ecosystems, where small accessories dramatically expand how a device can be used. Then there's the timing, which may be the biggest clue of all. That leaked Amazon listing pointed to a March 2026 availability date. Multiple sources now suggest the standard Osmo Pocket 4 could launch in late Q1 or early Q2 of 2026, with the Pocket 4 Pro potentially arriving slightly later, possibly around April. That staggered release would be a change from past launches and suggests DJI sees these as two distinct products rather than simple variants. All of this is happening against a complicated global backdrop. Several reports note that DJI continues to face regulatory pressure in the United States, with restrictions that could affect whether new products officially launch there right away. Some industry observers even claim DJI has explored rebranding strategies in certain markets, selling essentially the same technology under different names to work around bans. If that's true, it could explain why availability outside China and Europe, especially in the US, remains uncertain. So while there's no official announcement yet, no polished teaser videos, and no launch countdown, the Osmo Pocket 4 series is very much on the map now. And once DJI leaks start stacking up across multiple reputable sources, things usually move fast. This story is clearly just getting started. For creators who want results today, though, the Pocket 3 remains the safest and most refined choice. It's already proven reliable and versatile enough for nearly any shooting scenario. At first glance, the Osmo Pocket 3 feels sleek, premium, and extremely portable. It's built for people who are always on the move, vloggers, travelers, and solo filmmakers who want something ready at a moment's notice. Power it on, flip the touchscreen, and you're shooting within seconds. The 2-inch rotatable display remains one of its standout features, automatically switching between landscape and portrait orientations. That makes it equally comfortable filming cinematic travel vlogs or vertical clips for social platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Despite its compact size, image quality is anything but small. The 1-inch sensor delivers strong low-light performance and pleasing depth of field, giving footage a cinematic, professional feel. DJI's rock-steady stabilization keeps shots smooth even while walking or shooting handheld in tight spaces, and the responsive touchscreen interface makes adjusting settings fast and intuitive. Visually, the Pocket 3 still punches well above its weight. Color accuracy, dynamic range, and overall clarity are impressive for such a compact device. Low-light scenes stay relatively clean, and DJI's color science produces natural skin tones and balanced highlights. Audio performance is solid with the built-in microphones, and pairing it with a DJI Mic 2 in the Creator Combo elevates sound quality significantly, especially for outdoor shooting or interviews. Its strengths are easy to summarize. It's ultra-portable, simple to use, and capable of professional quality video without a bulky rig. Autofocus and subject tracking make solo shooting easy. Switching between horizontal and vertical formats is seamless, and the DJI Mimo app keeps editing and sharing fast and painless. Battery life is around 2 hours, extendable with a grip, which is enough for most shooting days. Of course, it's not perfect. The slim body can feel awkward for larger hands. It's not waterproof or rugged. Autofocus can occasionally lose fast-moving subjects, and the fixed 20mm lens limits framing flexibility. Still photos are serviceable rather than spectacular. Long 4K sessions drain the battery quickly, and the price can feel steep for budget-conscious creators. Even so, for most vloggers, travelers, and solo filmmakers, it still checks almost every box. Unless you need interchangeable lenses or multi-camera setups, it delivers high-quality, share-ready content with minimal effort. And that's where competition starts to matter. A US-based startup has introduced a pocket-sized camera called ExtraMuse, sometimes spelled ExtraMuse, and both on paper and in real-world use. It looks strikingly similar to the Pocket 3. It matches key specs like a 1-inch sensor and 4K recording up to 120 frames per second, the very features that made the Pocket 3 so popular in the first place. With DJI Pocket 3 availability limited in some regions, especially the US, prices have climbed as high as $800, far above its original launch price. ExtraMuse enters at a much lower price point, helped by being developed and sold domestically. Physically, the two cameras are nearly identical, sharing the same compact form factor. Flipping touchscreen, physical buttons, and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Battery life, charging speed, software polish, image quality, and even low-light performance are all remarkably close. The differences are minor: a slightly different finish, a longer warranty, and no support for DJI's proprietary microphones. But in real-world use, there's no obvious compromise. For buyers facing DJI shortages or inflated prices, especially in the US, cameras like ExtraMuse have emerged as serious alternatives. So whether you're watching the Osmo Pocket 4 leaks closely, buying a Pocket 3 today, or considering one of its lookalike competitors, one thing is clear. The pocket camera space is heating up again, and 2026 is shaping up to be far more interesting than anyone expected.